Alam naman natin kung alin yung LPG. Makikita natin siya sa bahay, sa hotel, sa restaurant, at sa mga industrial facilities. Pero, ano ba talaga yung LPG? Bakit siya tinatawag na liquefied despite na ginagamit natin siya as vapor or as gas? Yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. By the way, I'm Engineer Abraham Ramos, professional mechanical engineer, and specialty ko yung LPG system. In this series, pag-uusapan natin yung LPG from basic, pero yung focus natin is yung practical application. Hindi lang yun. Yung definition, pero gusto kong maintindihan natin kung paano talaga nagbe-behave yung LPG. What does LPG mean? So first, LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. According to our LPG technical training manual, LPG refers primarily to gases such as propane and butane. So mixture siya ng dalawang hydrocarbon gases na propane and butane. Ngayon, yung mixture neto nakadepende sa kung sino ang supplier mo kung ano yung particular purpose ng paggagamitan mo ng LPG. Pero technically speaking, ginagamit siya as fuel source or energy sources ng different equipment. Pwedeng commercial grade, pwedeng industrial grade, or pwedeng residential grade na equipment. Yung interesting part dito is yung word na LPG. Yung L sa LPG, which is yung liquefied. Normally, kapag sinabi natin gas, iniisip natin gaseous state ng liquid. Pero LPG can be stored ng liquid form under pressure in a constant temperature under a cylinder or enclosed vessel. Paano nagiging liquid ang LPG? So imagine natin yung LPG cylinder. Sa loob ng cylinder, meron siyang space for liquid and meron siyang space for vapor. Dahil naka-confine siya sa isang pressure vessel at maintained yung pressure niya, technically yung pressure nung liquid LPG, malaking portion ng LPG can exist sa liquid form. And that's one of the reason kung bakit nakakakuha tayo ng malaking fuel despite na yung cylinder natin is maliit. Now, ito yung importanting part. Kapag binuksan natin yung cylinder valve o yung valve ng LPG cylinder natin sa bahay, or pwede siyang 2.7 kg yung maliit, or 11 kg or 50 kg, so magre-release to ng vapor. And as long as nagre-reduce dahan-dahan yung vapor pressure ng tangke, lalong nagve-vaporize yung LPG, yung liquid LPG inside the cylinder. And that vapor is eventually nagiging fuel natin, o ito yung papunta ron sa mga appliances na ginagamit natin. Bakit ba importanteng maintindihan to? Kasi itong simpleng concept na to, ito yung pinaka-basic actually. So maraming nagiging cases or accident inside sa tahanan natin, sa commercial kitchens or sa industrial application dahil lang sa hindi nila naiintindihan yung basic concept or property ng LPG. Pag sinabi natin LPG vapor, technically speaking, yung property neto is heavier than air, lighter than water. So meaning kapag nagkaroon ng leak or pag nagkaroon ng unwanted discharge ng LPG sa surroundings natin, ang nature ng vapor na yon na tumagas o lumabas sa LPG cylinder o sa galing sa leak is papunta sa mga low-lying areas. So, nagsusumiksik siya, then pag hindi mo napansin, kung walang proper ventilation, nag-accumulate yun, naiipon yun. Then later on, kapag tama na yung mixture with the air and nagkaroon ng another source ng possible ignition such as yung sparks and other potential source ng heat. And that's yun. Doon, nagkakaroon ng pagkasabog o pagsunog o combustion. Ika nga. One reason na kung bakit yung LPG leak is something na dapat tinitake natin seriously. Sa engineering perspective na nagtatrabaho sa LPG system, hindi lang dapat alam mo kung saan ikakabit yung tubo o kung yung tangke saan mo i-install. Dapat naiintindihan mo rin yung behavior ng LPG. Paano siya ini-store, paano siya nare-release, saan pumupunta yung vapor kung magkakaroon ng leak, at ano yung possible hazards kung nagkaroon ng leak. That's actually what we're going to explore throughout this series. So sa mga susunod, i-discuss natin yung mga paano ba yung tamang instalasyon, paano ba yung tamang pagmamanage ng LPG, pag-handle, paano ba yung tamang design concepts, ano ba yung mga practical guidelines or practical approach natin dito sa LPG industry locally sa Pilipinas. Okay, one thing I want you to understand and remember, LPG can be stored in liquid form under pressure, but when it is released, it vaporizes and become the fuel that we use. That's the idea behind liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. Once again, I'm Engineer Abraham Ramos and welcome to LPG Education.